One of the things you have to consider is your skill level and how much time do you have to commit to a particular project. There's a lot of do-it-yourself friendly type projects for your home, like painting. That's an easy one. And also there's a lot of flooring out there that's very do-it-yourself friendly, like a lot of the laminate floors. But a couple areas you want to stay away from. Electrical and plumbing is better left to the professionals. But you can save a lot of money and get involved with a larger project like this kitchen renovation by doing a little bit of the demolition yourself, removing all of the cabinets, the countertops, maybe the flooring, and in this case, even some of the drywall to make it very accessible for the contractor, and that means it'll be a lot cheaper. It's kind of like being your own little demolition team.